Toys are scattered on the floor. Let's pick them up, we can do more. Blocks and books, dolls and cars, put them back right where they are.
Brooms and dustpans, help us please. Sweep away the dust and sneeze. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Cleaning up is such a treat.
Put your cups inside the sink. Wash your hands and then we'll think. Clean and tidy, bright and neat, makes our space a happy seat.
1, 2, 3, let's clean with glee. 4, 5, 6, neat tricks we mix.
When the job is done, hooray, we can rest and laugh and play. Cleanup time is lots of fun. Thanks for helping everyone.